What up people, how's it going? This is Bharat and welcome back to yet another video. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you guys how to make some dollars in your college when you're doing your studying your BE or whatever you're doing. So this video is not going to be about just about freelancing. This is going to be about all the other mechanisms or things that you can do in your college if you're doing some kind of programming or coding related subjects. And I'm going to be showing you 5 different ways where you can make money. So that's what I'm going to be doing. I don't even have that much amount of money. Thanks again for tuning in, guys. My name is Bharat, and I said, I've been working for over 5 years in this field of programming and computer science and engineering. And in my college days, when I was doing my BE, which is Bachelor's of Engineering in Computer Science and Technology, I did a lot of different things to make some money on the side. Primary one was freelancing. Obviously, I've documented that in a lot of different videos, but in this video I've written down 5 different ways where I have made money, and these are legitimate ways where you can earn your money. Let me give a big shout out to our sponsor for us with this video, which is Unacademy along with CodeChef. I'm going to be talking more about that in the later part of this video, but let's get this video continued. Alright, so the 5 different ways that I've written down here, starting with the first one, which is about coding competitions. Now, if you take coding competitions, most of you people will obviously think about the CodeChef or the Hacker Earth or Hacker Rank related coding competitions. But one simple thing that I want to also show you guys or talk to you guys about is the different symposiums, different hackathon events that you can attend to take part in coding competitions. Basically, these coding competitions might start from anywhere, with winning price of about 5,000, 2,500, 3,500 INR in Indian rupees, and it could go even up to 15,000, 20,000 Indian rupees. So basically, these are good competitions that are running almost all the time in Hacker Earth, Hacker Earth, Hacker Rank, and CodeChef as well. So I would highly recommend you guys to go first check that out. So these are going to be testing your data structures and your algorithm knowledge. And if you're actually preparing for competitive programming, this can be a very big motivator for you to learn more about that and even make some money on the site. The second important thing, which most people do not even talk about, is technical writing. Now, I have a blog called androidmonks.com, and I've been writing on this blog for over 2.5 years now. It's going to be almost 3 years. I'm going to be touching the third year anniversary in about 1 month time. So more than 2.5 years I've been writing for androidmonks.com, primarily targeting Android based programming, even cross platform related programming and things like that. One thing which I actually felt was I wanted to give this work to somebody else and pay them some money for every post or every blog writing that they do, and I can pay them some money and they can give me their service in return. But one thing was I could not find anybody who is actually well versed in writing as well as being good at programming. They are either very good writers or they are very good programmers, but there is no middle ground where they are able to give me their service. So I end up started writing on my by my own self, and it's been going along for that over for 2.5 years. So recently I was talking to one of my college juniors where I told him, so if you want to really make some money on the sides, understand a little bit about writing or technical writing and blogging as well. So if your programming knowledge combined with your blogging experience can take you into a very niche market where programming blogs are on the rise, and you can get paid for every single blog. So if you want to write one post for a very good blog, they can pay you up to 1,000 rupees, 1,500 INR, and even starting from 500 to 400 INR per post. Think about it. If you write 10 posts per month, you are sorted. You have your pocket money right on that simple thing that you do. So basically, that is going to be my second tip. Just think about technical writing, because it's actually going to be a very niche market which not a lot of people try to. I'm going to quickly talk about the sponsor for us with this video, Unacademy along with CodeChef. Do you guys know something? For 11 years, CodeChef has been helping people even become coding experts and even learn a lot of different programming and problem solving techniques. And this time they've come up with a very simple free course for all of you lovely people out there. So these classes are going to be taken by awesome educators that you're actually seeing here, and you'll have access to an exhaustive list of topics curated by the CodeChef academics team, and which is helpful for not just the beginners but also the intermediate and even advanced level people. So you can access all of these classes for just free. Don't have to do anything, just use the promo code down below to unlock all these free classes. You have up to 60 hours of free lectures that are being continuously added every week, and if you're smart, you will definitely make use of these free classes. A lot of you guys are actually asking me for roadmaps, and that is very important, and I understand that is very important. But what's also is important to have a simple plan. So if you do not want to spend so much amount of time looking into roadmaps and also want to get something done, you got to look at the interview 2021 series from the Code Chef guys. So this is a very simple, concise track to clear product interviews that is being taken by Arjun Arul and Ria Bansal. The placement season is here, people. So if you're strongly into getting into some product company, namely the Facebook, the Amazon, the Googles, you should probably take a look into this batch and get yourself admitted and start working out yourself. So check out the batch preview. I've shown a simple video description here. You can click the second link in the description and take a look at the product batch that is actually in unacademy.com. So again, if you are interested, you can buy the batch course for just 10% off, promo code that is coming right down below. Thanks again to our sponsors. Let's move on to the third point, which is about the inter-college symposiums. In the starting part of this video, I talked about hackathons and symposiums where predominantly you're targeting the coding competitions. But if you're going to be in your college, you will obviously attend a lot of different symposiums. Your coding knowledge is going to be probably tested in couple of events or couple of rounds. But there are so many other rounds that are part of the symposium events, primarily like debugging events, or there could be even quiz events that you could take part in and even make some money by winning these competitions. There are college I've attended a lot of symposium during my UG or undergraduate study. Starting from my second year of college, I've done a lot of different symposium attended, and I was just the other day looking over my certificates that I've collected over those 3 years of symposium events that I've attended. So one important memory that comes to my mind immediately is the couple of important wins that I had, winning first prize in a debugging event, followed by another first prize in building a mobile application event. So these were highly high priced events, giving me about cash prize of about 7,500 in one event and 10,000 in another event. So immediate things that come to my mind is if you want to be good at all of these things, you need to obviously get your basics right and improve on your coding skills. And most of the times, if you attend these events, or if you're good at it and you attend these symposium events, high chances are that you're not going to come out without making some money. So that's going to be my third important point. Let's move on to my fourth. All right, so this is my fourth point, and a lot of people again might not know about this. One of the important things that I have done over my UG is know more and understand more about algorithmic trading programs. So basically, there are a lot of different algorithmic trading programs that run on our everyday trading exchanges like NSE and BSE for India. So these are basically nothing but simple automated trading bots that can run on every single stock that you pick. So if you want to take a traditional stock, it is going to run on this traditional stock and work up through an algorithm, and it will place a buy order, it will place a sell order, and that's how it is going to work. So if you want to make some money on the sides, you can write your own algorithm. This might not be the best algorithm again ever, but you need to understand that there are a lot of trading bots out there where people pay so huge amounts just to get or buy these trading bots. Once they buy these trading bots, they set up it on a server or service and they run it forever. So basically, you want to cut it down short and write your own simple trading bot and let it trade with a simple amount of 5,000 INR, even 7,000 INR. So once you run this, I have done it myself and I earned a very small amount, but it was actually a very important learning curve for me during my college days. So these are all experimentative things that I've done. And I also heard from one of my college junior again recently is that he wrote his own trading algorithm working on a very simple, simple known technique that day traders use. And using this technique, he actually he's called a swing trading, and he did swing trading automation, and he made a lot of money through that. And that's actually a very interesting thing that you can even put on your resume as well, which is definitely going to attract a lot of even companies when you're there, when you're attending their interviews. So it's going to be very important, and I hope that you guys, if you are interested, take that route and see how the luck pans out. All right, gearing up towards the last, which is nothing but again something related to designing and building coding applications. Basically, there are a lot of app markets out there which sell templates for design templates. They also sell app templates. They also sell source code on things like that. So if you're interested, you can actually actually try to design your application. You can design a simple vector, things like that, and you can sell them on these sites. So again, I'm going to be very honest here. That's why I put it up towards the last, primarily because it's going to be a very competitive market. There are going to be a lot of people, there are going to be a lot of freelancers out there who are also going to target these kind of markets. So if you're lucky, I'm not going to use the word lucky, if you're good at marketing your product, you'll obviously find that these are actually revenue streams that keep on coming. I sold one simple app template for $5 way back in 2018, and to my surprise, I make about $5 every 3 months just from selling those app templates. I don't know where it comes from, who buys it, nothing of that sort. Somebody buys it almost all the time, and just make $5 every 3 months, and it's a very simple moment of joy that I get when I see that $5 has been credited to my account. So that's actually a very interesting thing. If you want to improve that, if you can improve your portfolio, you can add more templates, you can add more design templates, and people are going to obviously buy that. And there are a lot of app markets and design markets for that. So you can use that to make some money when you're doing your college. Alright guys, so that's it for this video. I've talked about 5 interesting things that you can do, and obviously the main important ways that a lot of people currently are making money is obviously through freelancing, which is the main source of income for a lot of college students. If you're good at something, do not do it for free, and if you're good at something, make sure that you're always better at it. So that's going to be the motto for every freelancer. That should be the motto for every freelancer when you're in your college. If this video is informative, you know what to do. Smash that like button, subscribe to the channel. I'm going to be coming out with a lot of interesting videos like this in upcoming days. Let me meet you there. Until then, it's Bharat. Peace out. Have a super awesome day.